Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your PayPal account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your PayPal application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download and install the PayPal app? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type PayPal and follow through the on-screen instructions to install and download. Now, after downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be required to sign up by creating a new account or to log in by using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in PayPal. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to activate your PayPal account. Now, activating your PayPal account is more or less creating a PayPal account. Okay, so the first step after signing up, of course, after downloading and takes you to the sign up page, all you need to do is to follow the step-by-step processes. The only step that you will have to take is to, enter your email. After entering your email, the next step is to the first step is to choose if it's a personal or business account. So once you have chosen any of those two, then enter your email. Then the next step with the verification process is to verify your email and of course to verify your phone number. Okay, so in the verification window, you have an option to verify using email. That's to get your verification code using email, or to get it by call, or to get it by text message. So whichever one you choose, after following through with the verification processes, it's going to take you right into the home page for PayPal. So once you get in there, now signing in or creating your account and verifying your email or your phone number is not the same as getting your account verified. Okay, so you still have to go through some verification processes to enable you access a couple of features. So how do you do that? Check the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon, and that's going to take you right into your profile window. Now, PayPal is highly sensitive, so this part of the window is not going to be displayed. All right, it uses DRM that protects sensitive areas of the application, and that includes the profile window. But once you click on that profile icon, it's going to take you over here. Now in this window, you're going to see invite friends, look and sell like a pro with seller profile, and you're going to see confirm your identity. Can you find confirm your identity in there? So once you do that, go ahead and click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, just follow through with the step-by-step processes to confirm your identity. Now, after providing the information, that a lot of things are going to be required from you, your documents, pictures, and all of those things to just confirm your identity, to let them know that you truly own this account. So after following through the step-by-step processes to get your account verified, that's it. You'll be able to activate your PayPal account and all of the features available in PayPal. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.